Hey friends, this is Atif Opirval and welcome to the new update on GLMR. GLMR is once again rejected by this quite long-term resistance zone that starts from 55 cents and goes to 64 cents. And you can see that for the past few weeks, it was trying to break it out, but could not break out and rejected. And now we are breaking down this quite long-term support of 31.5 cents. Before that, it has also broken down this support of 40 cents. And now it is dropped down here at this support of 26.5 cents as well. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that we had a long spike beyond this support, but the price line recovered back very soon. And now it is moving above this support of 26.5 cents. That is also another quite long-term support that was previously working as a resistance here, and before that for a few weeks it has been working as a support here and as a resistance here as well. And in today's video we will analyze this move, and you can see that at the same time it has also broken down this quite long-term up trend line support as well. You can see that for the past several months or weeks it was testing the support again and again, and now we have broken it down, and at the same time it is also testing this very huge support of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. That was previously working as a resistance, and now it can work as a support. And we will also analyze this move, and I would also like to show you this very big down channel breakout, and we will also take a look at the inverse head and shoulder pattern as well that I was showing you in my previous videos. This was the left shoulder and the head and the right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the month of March 2024 in the video's description. You can also visit that report as well. Now let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for GLMR that I shared on 9th of March 2024 in the previous month of March, on 9th of March 2024 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal shark pattern that GLMR completed on a 2-hour time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 47% pump only on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis, and I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of GLMR, and this is the weekly time frame chart. And previously, I've been showing you this very long-term down channel that GLMR formed on a weekly time frame chart, and I've been telling you that after the breakout from this channel, we can expect a very massive pump, at least up to the top of the channel. That was the technical target for this breakout. That was here at 55 cents, and you can see that the price line rallied beyond that target, and so far it has rallied almost 355%. But here we got a very strong resistance zone that was previously working as a support zone. Here, by the way, this support and resistance zone starts from 64 cents and goes to 55 cents. And you can see for a few weeks it has been working as a support zone here. Then after the breakdown, since after the month of August 2022, you can see it is flipped into a very strong resistance zone. We got stabilizations here from the month of September 2022 up till the month of Feb 2023, and after that we got stabilizations here as well. First, it got rejected here in the month of December 2023. We got 2 rejections here, and almost 3 or 4 rejections we got recently. And now the price line has also broken down this up trend line support and broke down this support of 40 cents. We have the support here at 40 cents. That was previously working as a resistance here, and for a few weeks it had been working as a resistance here as well and as a support here, and now we have broken it down. And now it is breaking down the next support of 31.5 cents and also dropped down at this next long-term support of 26.5 cents. Within the next few hours when this weekly candlestick will be closed, it depends on the closing where it will be closed. For example, if it will be closed above this support of 31.5 cents, then there will be a probability that the price line may start another move or correction move to the upside to break out the next resistance of 40 cents that was previously working as a support, and now it can work as a resistance. At the same time, you can see that stochastic is also entering the oversold zone. Previously, when it just touched the oversold zone here in the month of October 2023, then you can see we had a very, very massive price reversal to the upside. And before that, when it was entered here in the oversold zone, then we broke out this channel. Therefore, now there will be a probability that the price line may have some correction move, but before that, we will need a bull cross between this blue line and the orange line. Like this blue line crossed up this orange line here. We had a nice price reversal. And again, before that, it was happened here as well. Same as like that. Once this blue line will cross up this orange line, then we can expect that price correction move. However, it is possible that if the price line will not break down this support of 26.5 cents, then we may see some price accumulation here for several days or weeks, and then the price line may start the next reversal move to the upside. Now, if we take a look at this very, very huge support of Ichimoku bearish cloud, then you can see that previously it was breaking at a very strong resistance. We got rejection here, dropped down and tested the support that was the lower bands of the Ichimoku bearish cloud and geared up and broke out the resistance. And now we are again dropped down at the support and reached the lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud once again. Therefore, we will also need to keep an eye on this support of Ichimoku bearish cloud. This time, you can see, by the way, the cloud is also flipped into a bullish cloud. Therefore, this time it can also break stronger support than the previous one. And now, if we take a look at the inverse head and shoulder pattern that I was showing you in my so many previous videos, then you can see that here it formed the left shoulder, and this was the head, and this was the expected right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. Now you can see that the price line is rejected and dropped down again here, but until or unless it will not form another lower than previous low of this head and shoulder pattern can be possible, and this can be the formation of the right shoulder. There will be a probability that the price, and even after this drop, may form the right shoulder, and after breaking out this neckline, that was this resistance on that starts from 55 cents and goes to 64 cents, is also working at the neckline of this expected inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. And once the price will be able to break out this neckline, then we may expect a very, very massive pump. At least the target for this inverse head and shoulder pattern, that the price can hit at least the target for this breakout. The technical target for this breakout will be here. That will be approximately at $2.60. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.